Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing in front of this 2026 Harris 250 Cruiser. This boat is equipped with the sage green exterior with the black powder coated fencing. It has the tungsten interior. As you can see, we're walking around the back here. We have the upgraded lily pad ladder. Very nice ladder. It's kind of like walking up the stairs in your house. Very easy use here. We'll climb aboard. You can see we have the 250 horsepower V8 Mercury. Have built-in trickle charger back here. So all you have to do is plug in an extension cord. Sound system off the back. This one we did equip with the safety railing and fender holder. So no more finding a spot for your fenders. It's easy grab as you're pulling up to cove out with someone or tying up at a dock for the restaurant. In 2026, they added this luxury stitching back here to give you some lumbar support. Very nice feature. The floor plan on this one is the center walk-through dual helm. So as you can see, cup holders and USB and all of the mouse holes there. Trash can built in here. We have the upgraded high back with the flip-up bolster seats. Very nice for docking or driving if you want to sit above. Digital throttle here, the Simrad screen, and then the Wet Sounds audio system. We do have a very deep in-floor storage here. So lots of room for all your gear. We have the cover down in there with the tent poles at the moment. As you can see here, we flip up the seat. It does come with a table. We don't install it till you tell us where you want it. But if you notice, all of the boxes are roto-molded, so you actually don't see the bottom of the floor. So if you were to get water on the boat, everything in that compartment stays dry. If someone sits down wet, there were grooves that drain the water out the side. Very thought out by Harris here. Again, this is a 2026 Harris 250 Cruiser. For more information, you can call us at 573-606-3022. We look forward to getting you out on the water.